Hey guys, in this video you're going to see me show what this puzzle box is, how to solve this puzzle box. Um, well, it's a more irregular shape than what I usually do because it has tons of extra weird things on it instead of normally just being a box, mainly because I did not have enough of the correct pieces. But I made it work with what I had. So it's kind of hollow on the inside because of that, but yeah. So, to solve this thing, right here is your drawer. And there's that separation point right there. But it's stuck. Hairs really bug me. Okay. Well, whenever they're in the Legos. Okay, so, yeah. It's this side first. Pull this out. And you get a little key. In this hole here, you insert this and turn it counterclockwise, 90 degrees. Then, yay! Wait. Huh? There's a hole and stuff sticking out. What? Oh my word, it's another puzzle box! That's what I meant by hollow right there, but... Oh my word, it's another it's another puzzle box. Well, let's solve it. So, it looks like this can come out okay. So, then, ooh, hey, this comes out. What's that holder? Ooh, wait, where's the key? Maybe it... Oh, no, it doesn't do anything. Oh, wait. There's another drawer here. Ooh, wait. What? Well, what you have to do is... Okay. I have not actually solved this before, so... This is my first time solving this one. I usually build them and then do the video for how to solve it. So, now you got this. Got the hole there. Boom. Stick it in. And... Wait. Why isn't that coming out? That should come out. Just a moment while I figure this out. Okay. So I figured out what was wrong. This slider here, it ended up having the incorrect piece on top of it, so it wouldn't slide out. But now, slides out. And, oh hey, there's the box. Oh cool, you get a trophy. Oh, awesome. So, yeah, that is my puzzle box in a puzzle box. Took me a while to finally figure out what I should do, but once I figured it out, I'm like, this'll be interesting. But I got it. So, I mean, it's just a series of interlocking pieces here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing back in its slot. Okay. Ooh, I need a unlock. And then slide in, lock, pull that out, pull this out, stick that in there, put it in, and done. So yep, that is my puzzle box. Thanks for watching this video, as always, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button down there. So, cause it just would be nice, so that way I can know which videos you guys enjoy more. Then my microphone's kind of falling. Okay. Also, subscribe, because then you will be able to know whenever I get new videos out. And then leave comments down in the comment section for videos that you'd like me to do, or like ask a question, or like put like what you thought about this video, or how it could be improved, or whatever. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.